Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about 10 DIY garden decor ideas to spruce up your outdoor space. 1. Painted rock garden markers. To create these garden markers, you'll need smooth river rocks, acrylic paint, and clear sealant. Collect rocks of various sizes and use acrylic paint to decorate them with the names of plants or herbs. You can get creative with colors and patterns, perhaps adding some whimsical designs like flowers or butterflies. Once painted, seal them with a clear coat to protect them from the weather. These rocks can be placed among your garden beds or pots to serve as charming markers. 2. Recycled pallet planters. Wooden pallets can be repurposed into vertical planters. Start by sanding the pallet to smooth out any rough edges or splinters. You might choose to paint or stain it to match your garden's aesthetic. Attach landscape fabric to the back of the pallet to prevent soil from falling through. Fill the pallet with potting soil and plant your choice of herbs, succulents, or flowers. This vertical garden can be leaned against a wall or fence for a beautiful green display. 3. Bottle tree sculpture. For a striking garden sculpture, collect metal rods and colorful glass bottles. Insert the rods into the ground, ensuring they're sturdy enough to hold the bottles. Slide the bottles over the rods to create a unique tree-like sculpture. You can also weld the rods into a specific design if you're comfortable with welding equipment. The reflective glass creates a beautiful effect when the sunlight hits it. 4. Stepping stone mosaic. Make your own stepping stones with concrete mix in glass or ceramic pieces. Prepare a concrete mix and pour it into a mold. While the concrete is still wet, press in pieces of colored glass, broken ceramics, or pebbles to create a unique mosaic pattern. Once the concrete sets, remove it from the mold, and you'll have custom stepping stones to guide visitors through your garden. 5. Fairy garden in a pot. Create a whimsical fairy garden using a large pot, small plants, and miniature decorations. Fill the pot with potting soil and choose small-scale plants like succulents, mini ferns, or mosses. Add tiny furniture, fairy figurines, and small stones to create pathways or additional structure. This project is great for adding a touch of magic to your outdoor space. 6. Tire planters. Old tires can be repurposed into colorful planters. Start by cleaning the tires and then spray paint them in bright colors. Once the paint is dry, fill the tires with potting soil and plant flowers or small shrubs. You can stack tires for a vertical effect or use them individually as standalone planters. They add a bold and vibrant look to any garden. 7. Outdoor chalkboard. Transform an old window frame or wooden frame into a chalkboard for your garden. Apply chalkboard paint to the glass or backing and let it dry completely. This outdoor chalkboard can be used for garden planning, writing notes, or letting kids express their creativity. It also adds a playful touch to your garden space. 8. Hanging mason jar lanterns. Mason jars can be turned into outdoor lanterns with a few simple steps. Wrap wire around the rim of a mason jar to create a handle. Inside the jar, place a candle or an LED light. You can then hang these jars from tree branches, pergolas, or fences. As the evening sets in, these lanterns create a warm and inviting ambience in your garden. 9. Birdhouse garden art. Birdhouses can add both charm and functionality to your garden. Start by buying or building birdhouses from wood. Paint them in vibrant colors or unique designs to bring some life to your garden space. Once ready, mount these birdhouses on poles or attach them to trees. They not only serve as decorative pieces, but also attract local birds to your garden. 10. Decorative wind chimes. To create wind chimes, collect items that make pleasant sounds when they collide, like shells, keys, silverware, or bamboo. Drill holes and use string to attach these items to a metal or wooden base. Hang the base from a tree or porch where it can catch the breeze. As the wind blows, these chimes create soothing sounds, adding an auditory dimension to your garden. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.